You think it's funny, bro? I lost 1 trillion times already. Bro, you need to chill, man. It's just me, the world's best rapper, and you can't do anything. You sucks. That's all I have to say. Dodge for loser. Run. Oh my god, I found a step. Boyfriend tried to survive being killed.
Oh my god, bro.
Boyfriend tried to escape from the house as fast as possible. Is he going to survive? Come back here. Boom! Go! Okay. Finally, he escaped from the house. He finally escaped from my house. Well, I just don't really care. I just gave his girlfriend and got his money too. You know what? It's time to celebrate. Hooray! Woo! I got his money. Oh my god, why I have to do this cutscene? Bad ending. You have a boyfriend escape from the basement, but his girlfriend didn't survive. The end.